Hi viewers, in this Let's Make episode, I'll show you how to make your own mainframe that fits in your pocket. We will build the Pocket mainframe out of an ARM-based single-board computer. In this video, that is a Raspberry Pi 4 as the hardware basis, Linux as the host operating system, and the Hercules S390 emulator. As an operating system, we will use the MVS 3.8 Turnkey system, which is basically the last version of IBM MVS, very nicely packaged with apps and patches for a smooth start by an amazing community of enthusiasts. Let's get started. What do we need? Your SBC of choice. In this example, a Raspberry Pi 4 with 2 GB of memory and a 32 GB micro SD card for storage and a power supply. I use the Raspberry branded USB-C wall wart. Later, we need a 3270 Terminal Emulator. On a Mac, you can use Mocha 3270 Lite. On a Unix box, X3270 should be available. And on Windows, you probably have several other options. First, download and burn DietPi to your micro SD card. I use Balena Etcher in this example, but other options including the Raspberry Pi installer should work as well. I prefer DietPi, which is a stripped-down Debian, for this kind of build because it is a minimalistic starting point and does not come with any bloat, which helps it to boot really quick. Of course, the regular Raspberry Pi OS will work too. Once the SD card is ready, pop it into your Pi, connect the Ethernet cable and power. Now SSH into your new DietPi and install the software development packages and some utility programs. You now will see a welcome message, and after hitting Enter, you are presented the ISPF screen. ISPF stands for Interactive System Productivity Facility and is a menu system to provide access to development tools, file management, and administration. Okay, let's get some Cobol going. Type 3, then 4 to get to the dataset list utility. You use this tool to work with files, or datasets as they are called in mainframe speak. Now place the cursor at the first column before the dataset name and hit B for Browse. We are looking at a partitioned dataset which contains multiple members, almost like a directory on Unix. Use F7 and F8 keys to scroll the list. Scroll down and find the test cob entry. Open it using the V command in the first column before the name. The lines beginning with double slashes are JCL statements that tell the system what to do. The lines without slashes are the Cobol code that is embedded in the JCL script. Now, let's change the message class line from A to H, which tells the system to retain the output so we can look at it later. Use the Tab key to jump to the command line and type Submit, then hit Enter. Your Cobol compile and run job is now being executed in the background. To see its output, press F3 to go back to the DS list menu and type 8 to see the outlist. We should now see our test cob job listed, and if we go down and open it using the V command, we can see that it printed Hello World. You can now go back with F3 and modify the job further or explore other jobs in that dataset. It's probably a good idea to make a working copy of the dataset. Try to find out how to do it or wait until my next video. In any case, when you're done with MVS, go to the main ISPF panel, type End, and then type Shutdown, followed by Logoff. This will cleanly shut down the system and the emulator and drop you to your Unix shell from where you can sudo power off the Raspberry. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please use the thumbs up and subscribe buttons in YouTube. If not, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.